Online digital marketing training. In this video, I'm going to explain about domain hosting and what else you required before creating a website. So, can you please tell me any website name? Any website name we should know. Come on. So, www.amazon.in. Any website name? Flipkart.com. Any website name? Tell me. Apart from that, Pinterest. Right. You're telling these are the websites. So just tell me in this what is this www, what is this Amazon and what is this .in? Www is a world wide web. What do you mean by this? Who is that guy? Okay. What is Amazon then? It's a domain. What is .in.com? Okay. A kind of. What's your name? So your name is Shweta. Assume that in this classroom everybody name is Shweta and I called Shweta. Who will respond? It's a problem, right? So that's why as a trainer I put a rule like in a classroom only one Shweta should be there. Now how many Amazon websites we have? Only one, right? How many Flipkart websites we have? So if I assume that there are three websites the same name Amazon, it's a problem, right? So in a classroom I put a rule, in the internet this guy put a rule. Dub dub dub. So World Wide Web, it's an internet consortium company who will organize the internet. So he only tell that no two websites should have a same name anyway. It doesn't mean that for every time in order to open the website you have to mention www. It's not required. Directly if you type amazon.in also it will come anyway. Right. So your name is Shweta and the website name is Amazon, Flipkart, Pinterest. That is called domain name. Domain name is name of the website. Now let's see the extension. This is called extension .in, .com. What are the extensions we have apart from .com, .in? .org, .edu, .gov. Commercial .in means India, organization, education, government, blah blah blah. A number of extensions will come. And these days, previously, in order to differentiate the website, whether it is educational website, they mentioned. But these days, it's become commercial actually, because crores of websites are coming. Finding a domain name is become very difficult. That's why these days, .in, .com also available, .com, .org also available, which is meaningless. I think you know this website called Q.fit. .fit also came now. .online came. .shop came. .sell came. Even .tv also came, v6news.tv. But again, you might be confused which one you have to take. Forget about all these things. Think about the normal audience. Normal audience know only two things, either .com or .in. So purchase them only anyway. So it depends anyway. Due the course, you'll understand which one. But as of now, .com, .in is the best one actually. Everyone will identify that one. Now assume that you took the domain name called Shweta.com. This is your domain name. Now nobody else in the world can't take Shweta.com again because you purchased it. But I can take Shweta.in. .in is different again. Now assume that both of us targeting Indian customers only. Now one customer searched on Google about our product. You tell me who will come on top now, whether .com or .in. Why? Yes, .in will come on top because in India, .in is local. Google gave much importance to the local websites. That's why it's better to take .in India. Your target customers is India. If your target customer is worldwide, take .com. If target customer is US, what you will take? .us you have to take. So these are called country specific domain names. Country specific extension you have to take. .uk, like that. Okay. So but as of now, either you can go for .com or .in. Right. So you understood what is domain name. So World Wide Web, it's an internet consortium company who will organize the internet. He only put rules. Flipkart is the domain name and .com is the extension. Right. So domain name is same like a SIM card. Assume that you purchase a SIM card. Okay, new SIM card. Can I able to call your number? Or else you require something? Physical device is required. I can't call SIM card. That SIM card should be there in the physical device. So domain name is same like a SIM card only. You required something else. So that I'll discuss later. But first, how to buy domain hosting? Where will you buy SIM card again? On a store. Which one you prefer, Airtel or Uninar? Why? Even though it's expensive, network is good. That's why you go for that. So there are many service providers: GoDaddy, HostGator, Domain.com, BigRock, Bluehost. These are all the service provider. But what I feel is this is like a Airtel. These are like Unidar. These are less expensive, but GoDaddy is very good. Never your website will come down. So it's better to take from GoDaddy. You do research from your side also. Now let me show you how to purchase a domain. Go to GoDaddy. It will come like this, and there is a search bar. You have to type your domain name. And what is the cost of SIM card? Sometime free, sometime 99 rupees. Will you pay 1 lakh rupee for SIM card? Some people pay. Fancy numbers. You want all 888s, you want a fancy number, then you have to pay. Why I'm saying, because here also your domain name start from 99 rupees. Sometimes free also you'll be getting anyway. But sometimes it will go up to 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs also. Depends on the value of the name. Let me check first. Shweta.com. Now let me check whether this domain is available or not. If someone else purchased, we can't take that. Shweta.com is taken already. It's taken by someone else. But they're giving suggestions like .co.in is available 99 rupees. .info. You can see .app is 1000. Shweta, a different spelling, which is 68,000. Right, let me change something. News.com I want to take. This is available. Then 149 rupees it's saying. Simply click on add to cart, pay from debit or credit card. This domain is yours. For 1 year, the cost of the domain name is you're paying per year. It is showing 149, but after tax it will go up to 500 rupees. If you buy .in, it will be coming in 250 rupees. .com after taxes it will go up to 500 rupees, but still it's less expensive only, and 1 year cost this is. Right. Now you got SIM card, you need a phone now. Now simply telling Amazon.in. Amazon have lot of products, right? Where those products have been stored? Is it stored in my system? The website, not physical product. It's showing on the website, right? All the files where it is stored. Is it in my system or their system? It's stored in a centralized location called server. So because if it is stored in someone's system, people can't access it. That's why They stored in a centralized location. Assume that this is the complete globe. These are different places. Now here, this is the big server. In this, different websites have been hosted. Assume that. Now assume that this is Amazon, Amazon.in. This is Flipkart, and this is mine. Think them as a bank locker. This is the bank and these are the lockers. You have a gold. You three people have a gold. You went to the manager, told them that secure my gold in your locker. He took your gold and put it in them, but he didn't named it. He forgot to name it. Now, day after tomorrow, you've been there and you ask your gold, which one he'll give? He only get confused, right? That's why you have to proper name. When he naming also, same name he given for the two lockers. Again, it's a problem, right? So the three lockers should be unique actually. So in the same way, in the server, when website data stored here, these two names should be different. So each website name has to be unique. So all your data is stored here in this space, and for that one name is given. This name is called domain name, and this is called hosting. So what are the naming you're giving? That is called domain name. And what are the space you purchasing? That is called hosting. Now let me tell you how it works. Now one customer from India, he searched Amazon.in. You simply type Amazon.in. This request from LAN and WAN, it will go to the server. The server starts searching where is Amazon.in. Amazon.in is here. And whatever information he searched, that information is given to the customer. Simply typing, but this much of process is there. But whenever he is searching Amazon, assume that there are two websites with the same name. Then problem for server. That's why they made it as a no two websites should have a same name. Right. Now you understood. In order to create a website, two things are mandatory. What are that? Domain and hosting. What do you mean by domain? Name of the website. Hosting means space in a server. Now domain plus hosting equals to website. That's it. I ask you to tell me the domain name. Now I explain what is this. Different things. .com, .in. Take .in much better if you're targeting India. Now I show you how to purchase domain, but I didn't show you how to purchase hosting. Do you find hosting option? So click on hosting. Hosting means space in a server. How much space you want again? Depends. Different person will have a different space. So Amazon kind of website, this is not sufficient for them. Buying a small space is not sufficient for them. They need complete server only. So those kind of people go for dedicated servers, VPS hosting, business hosting, these kind of things they go. But you people, as a students, you best go for WordPress hosting. You don't require all these things. Due the course, I'll be telling you how to purchase web hosting also. Okay. In future, if you want to start an agency, this is good for you to save money anyway. But initially, this is enough. WordPress hosting. Click on this. Once you click, again they'll ask you how much space you want. 10 GB, 15 GB, 30 GB or 200 GB. Okay. So 10 GB is per month 99. Whereas a domain name 99 per year actually. This is you have to pay per month. And if you want to take year, 99 into 12 months you have to take. 15 GB is 229, 30 GB is 449 and 200 GB is 899 per month. And he also saying that 25,000 users only can visit your website. What does it mean? Now, from India, One customer searched Amazon.in. Server gave him information. Second time it will give. Third time it will give. Up to 25,000 times, server will give information to the guy. But if one more person asks the information, it say server is not available. Have you faced this kind of things anytime? When exam results, counseling, this kind of time, lot of people putting a burden on the particular server, whereas the limitation is very less. At the time, server will not respond. Your internet guy will say that server is not working. Server is working, but the limit is less. Then they'll upgrade to 15 GB. They'll upgrade to different GB. So, but here, initially for you, 25,000 users means too much anyway. That much of traffic, you will never get it anyway, unless you're doing very well. If you're doing very well, then move out for the next level. But as of now, it's better you can take this one only. See again here, business. And you want to trial it only for 1 month, then the charge is 449. He said 99. When you take 36 months, then only per month 99. If you want to take only for 1 month, 449. 12 months if you want to take per month, 249. 24 months, 199. But anyway, it's good to start with the 12 months. Click on 12 months. Again, there are some things here. Website security. If you want, you can add other. It's not mandatory. Some hackers will be there. They always try to hack your website. You want to protect from that, then you have to add this. Anyway, your website doesn't have a valuable information. You're writing blog only, then not required. So if you feel that your client, explain to the client. If you accept, then add this. SSL certificate again. See the website ODMT. Can you see HTTPS? HTTPS means secured. See this website. It is showing not secure. What happened means here I purchased SSL certificate. That's why I got HTTPS. Here I didn't purchase. Now again your question whether to purchase or not. If it is a website or blog, not required. But if it is e-commerce website, what happened? People will be entering their credit card or debit card details. Whenever they want to mention the details, before they go, they'll say it's not secure. Do you think? Do you provide your card details where not secure website? You will not provide, right? It's a drawback for you. So for e-commerce website, it is mandatory that you have to take a HTTPS. In order to take this, you have to purchase SSL certificate. See the difference here. Defend your site against hackers and malware. Website security here. Secure credit card numbers, passwords, and other sensitive data your visitors. Okay. Maybe if you're not taking SSL certificate, ignore it anyway. This will cost you 6,000 per year. But if you call GoDaddy people, for the first year, it will charge only 600 rupees only. I'm not adding anything. Huh?
If you call Komodo, they'll give 6 months of free.
Kamado. Who is that?
My company.
Your company. Give their number anyway. We'll save some amount. What they're getting then? After that, they promote.
Yeah.
Acha, acha. We'll take that. Now see here in the hosting, for 12 months, if you take, they give domain free of cost. They'll be giving domain free of cost. Let me see, shwetanews.com. So it's free of cost now. So it didn't added. Is available, they said. Okay. Now let's see the complete price now. See, Shwetan has become zero now. So you're not paying anything. Right. So this is the actual cost. 3,539 rupees. In order to maintain any website or blog, per year what you have to maintain is 3,539 rupees per year cost this is. Again, there are some promo codes anyway. If you type GoDaddy promo codes and grab on Coupon Dunia, there will be some codes. If you apply, there is a possibility 33% discount you'll be getting it. Try your own luck. So I also told you, right, domain names will be different again. There is a domain name called camera.com. See the cost of this domain. So this is the cost. 3 crores if you want to buy this anyway. Because it's already brand. You don't have to work hard to market it anyway. So many people are searching for this name. That's why they increase the price anyway. No need to work this much of big websites anyway. It's better to go with a small one and work at it. Now you know how to buy domain, how to buy hosting, right? And the difference between a HTTP and HTTPS also you understood, right? Now let me explain the difference between website and blog. What is the difference between a website and blog? See, this is my website, odmg.in. For online digital marketing training, I created this website. I'm calling this as a website. And this is my student blog. I'm calling it as a blog. What is the difference? Why I'm calling this as blog? Why I'm calling that as a website? Any guess? No. Of course, it's not secure, but not because of that. So, school, college, hospital, plumber, painter, electrician, I call all of them as a website because they're selling their service or product, that is a website. Here either I'm selling service or product, and it will not change frequently. Almost it will be same only. Very rare they change their page. But whereas a blog, it's more of informative. They provide information. It can be movie news, technology, travel news. They provide. And if you see today, there is some blog. Tomorrow it will be something else. It will change frequently. So that is the difference. But in order to create them, both are same only. But you should decide whether you want to go with a website or blog. If you have any family business, you want to start a business, you'll be going for the right thing. Then it should go for a blog. Next thing, domain naming. You understood how to buy a domain hosting, but what name you right? So assume that you want to take. Assume that you want. It can be your name or any animal name, any word name, or any Greek word or any Spanish word. You can write like digitalshweta.com or digitalfrog.com, digital list, digital ganet. In Hyderabad, we have websites. Digital list is there, digital ganet is there, digital ready is there. So digital word combinations they use. In such a way, you can try. Next, you starting some wedding wedding photography website you want to do. Then wedding plus name like weddingraja.com, wedding shot, wedding snap, you can take like that. So a focus keyword should be there plus any other thing, right? Now you want to start a blog. For a blog, there is no specific rules are there. Any name you can take. One of my student name website name is kurkurenews.com, kabutar news, chai or news. There There is a website called tupaki.com also. It's a famous website actually. So it can be crazy name you can take anyway. There is no specific rule like this. But either of the cases, the rule is I'm saying it's not a Google rule anyway. It has to be less than 10 characters. So people can't remember more than no, you can put a domain name called the best digital marketing training in Hyderabad.com. Good. It's good only, but no one will type properly. It's not correct. See the famous website. Flipkart, Ola, Uber, the domain name. And when you're taking a website name, apart from this, you can take abbreviations also. See, mine is ODMT, DSIM. So here it is, online digital marketing training. You can take like this also. DSIM, Delhi School of Internet Marketing. It's also you can. Also some problem is there. Flipkart. Let me type the website name. Flipkart. KRT. Do you think that everybody type KRT? Some people type CRT also. Then what will happen? Any guess what will happen? It's redirected to KRT only. Me purchase CRT also. If they didn't purchase CRT, someone else will purchase. They will lose the business. That's what they purchase. Let's see Google. Spelling is the keyboard mistake. You will type triple zeros. In such a way, Google purchased 160 variations. They're not giving chance to the computer. If they give, they will get benefited. But Facebook made a mistake. Facebook spelling is facebook.com. Problem, there is no problem with the spelling. But these days, people are not to open what they're searching. Every .com they search. They didn't predict it. Now, every day they used to check analytics and suddenly, lot of change in the traffic. Less traffic is coming to facebook.com. When the research, what happening, people are going to fb.com. One youngster, he predicted he purchased the website, fb.com. Now what they have to do? Obviously they have to contact that guy only. They called him, hey man, how are you? I'm fine. Give me that fb.com. They would have given $1 million they paid to that guy. Only 2-letter word, he become rich. So you can start doing business with the domain names itself. People do that one. Let me take example like Amaravati is capital of Andhra Pradesh now. In future, hotels will come, colleges will come, hospitals will come. First, started a hospital, everything. After that, then will search the domain name. You block. You ask the money. So they do, and so you have a domain name. See whether any possibility of the competent chance or not. Don't take domain name called shahrukhan.com. What happened? Spelling very tough. You tell to your friend that my website name is shahrukhan.com, you will type this. So also one website name student.com. Very good. Tell to your friend that my website name is obviously right. Then what happened? You're promoting that domain, not your domain. So you have to be careful when you're taking a domain name. So you understood now what hosting, how to domain name. Apart from the website, these days social media is very important. Okay. So you see V6 News, they have a Facebook page, Twitter account, LinkedIn account, Instagram account also. And you might have seen the TV. Follow us on facebook.com/V6 News, Instagram /V6 News, Means everywhere their handle is same. These are called social media handles. Facebook their handle is basic news, and Instagram, yeah, this is not good actually. It has to be same. That's much better. So before you purchasing your domain name, first check now should that Flipkart only. Facebook.com/Flipkart. Someone else blocked from the website. If purchasing a domain only, check whether your handle is available on the social media or not. So how to check? A website called Name Checker. Namechecker.com. Check Shweta News. Don't type .com kind of thing. Type only brand. Your handle .com. Shweta News is available. Immediately purchase your domain name. At the same time, block it on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. How to block it? Create a Twitter account with this name. Your first name is Shweta, second name is News. At the rate, it's good way. Instagram, create a separate business account with the same name. Facebook, you can't create on this. Already have a profile, right? Create a page. When you create a page, it will ask you username, and the username mention this. Now your website is safe, and now let's take the example of Donald Trump. Obviously, he's famous, right? Before he became president, only people have blocked that Donald Trump social media handle. Now, what he has to do? Now his social media handle is at the rate the real Donald Trump. Just with one choice. You desperately want that domain only, but you're not getting a handle. You can try like this: the real Donald Trump, original Donald Trump, kind of things you can try. Everything is done. Have a domain, hosting. You know what to take .com or .in. That we took domain name called www.abc.com. This is your domain. You have to create a website, right? In order to create a website, we have two ways. One is with the coding, one is with the non-coding. Coding means here you'll be learning HTML, Java, PHP, .NET, AngularJS, many programming languages are there. With this, you can create a website. If I start teaching you, 90% of the people will not come tomorrow. Am I correct? I'm not going. What I'm going to teach you is WordPress. Good for your business. And for in order to maintain e-commerce website also, this is good. But Shopify is much better for you. So from your batch, this also. Previous batches. So WordPress and Shopify I'll trade. Now you might be asking the question, what is the difference? A website is designed in HTML and non-coding. Obviously, maybe this is good, this is not good. This is just assumption only. Both are same. Let me show the example. So every programming language, this is not required for you, just listen it. Every programming language have some syntax. C have one syntax, C++ have one syntax. In such a way, HTML also have a syntax. If you want to create a website, what they do is first they create different pages. In order to create one page, they write a HTML code here. And if you want to start, it has to start with the HTML, open HTML. In HTML, there is a rule. If you open, you have to close. And it have two sections. One is head section. Again, you have to close. and you have a body. Again, you have to close. That's it, guys. In this body, whatever you write, that only become a page. People write many things, that only become. We don't require whatever they write, but this is the syntax. Let me write a simple program. I wrote like this, and assume that your programming is done. You have to save as .html. It has to be .html only. Right, I saved. Right, it's become like this. It's like a browser file. This is a text file. This is a browser file now. Right. What is the domain name here? What is the domain name? Tell me, yeah. No, I'm asking here.
You check name.
So what is the domain name here? Here? No. What is the domain name here now? And what is the difference between this and this? Any guess? This domain is available worldwide. HTTPS www, which is available worldwide. Even if you go to Pakistan also you search, it will come. UK also you type, it will come. Tool called FileZilla. What you'll do first of all, you'll create all the pages, home page, about us page, contact us page, all the pages he will create, and after that he will purchase a domain and hosting. Once he purchases a domain hosting also, he'll connect to this server. Left hand side all system files will be there, right hand side all server files will be there. Now whatever the pages he created, drag and drop over here. Then learn digital marketing from Subhash Mangla. But the difference is there. What I wrote it in 2 lines here, but it appeared in 1 line only. Because HTML is a foolish language, everything you have to tell. I have to say break. It will take a break. Now, this is not looking like a web page, it's empty. Let me make some colorful. Some colors I'm using. Now, without images, it's not good. So let me add some images. For images, again, some more coding is there. The file path you have to use. That image came, that's there in my desktop. Now, if you want to put one YouTube video also, you can insert YouTube video.
Whether it's the World Cup or the World.
So take the code, come back here. Done. Now the video also came here. Now some more graphics also you can use, like a scrolling kind of text. Now scrolling will come here. So it's all about learning more of tags. But what happening in order to make it beautiful, you're writing a lot of code. Then how it will works in WordPress. So let me show sample of my WordPress website. So this is the website which we designed in WordPress only. I gave it for student for practice. Is it a website or blog? What? It's a blog. Why? Because it's informational. Now, once you go to WordPress, you will see like this. This is the dashboard. This is same like your smartphone only. You purchase your smartphone. Will someone train? This is all same thing. Spend. Don't afraid like, if I go to settings option, something will happen. Nothing will happen. So without killing a patient, you won't become a doctor. So famous doctor means famous number of client website. Kill your website only. After that, here a page. In order to create a page, so here home page or about us page, whatever it be. Now here, whatever the content I want, I can write it. If I enter, it will go to the next line only. And if I want to insert images, click on this. There is an image option. Whatever the image you want, you can download and you can push it here. And even sizes also you can. And if you want to have a YouTube video, you don't have to go like code. Simply take the URL. That's it. That will become a video. So that much of flexibility is there in the WordPress. So then still you might be thinking, then why people madly writing coding? Thousands of templates are available in WordPress. You can create a school website, college, hospital, blah blah blah. More than 1,000 services you can provide. But suddenly one guy came like and said that create me a website same like a Twitter. People should communicate like this. That kind of big website we can't do it. Anyway, no client will ask you like that anyway. Okay, at the time only code is required. Otherwise, coding is not required anyway. So almost for you, coding is not required for you. Maybe in the future, people will develop that kind of themes also. They'll be developing it. Now, tell me what is domain? Domain means name of the website. What do you mean by hosting? Space in a server. Now, domain plus hosting equals to website. Where will you buy this? Domain and hosting. So many are there. GoDaddy is the best one. Will you buy .com or .in? It depends. If you are targeting India, take .in. Okay. And how many letters should be there in your domain name? So 10 are less than 10 characters only. And how to lock up your handles, social media handles? No. So go to namechecker.com and find on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram whether your handle is available or not. What is the difference between website and blog? Website, and if it is informative, it has to go to the blog anyway. And what is the difference between HTTP and HTTPS? Yes, if you want to create an e-commerce website, people provide their card details. So at that time, extra security layer should be there. So at that time, you have to take HTTPS. If you want to take HTTPS, what you have to purchase? SSL certificate. SSL certificate. What is domain is how to buy domain hosting is clear. And the difference between HTTP and HTTPS, website and blog, domain naming techniques, how to take the name, and how to lock up your handles, and WordPress versus HTML. And what is the domain name? Link in the description. on this and purchase it. And if you have any comments, any questions, then mention in the comments so that I'll be replying back. Thank you.